Seasonal monitoring calendars let do-it-yourself pest controllers time traps and treatments to match pest life cycles for better results. Seasonal monitoring calendar products combine regional pest phenology data with simple scheduling tools to guide when to inspect, trap, or apply low-impact controls. Start by obtaining a regional calendar from your local extension service and compare it to observed activity for your location, because microclimates shift timing by weeks. Use pheromone traps and visually inspect host plants twice weekly during predicted emergence windows and record counts in a simple log that includes date, trap count, and weather notes so you can detect trends. Set smartphone calendar alerts for the start, peak, and end of each target pest window to prompt monitoring and to schedule treatments only when counts exceed your action threshold. For adaptive decision-making, review your log trap counts and recent temperatures to shift future monitoring dates earlier or later as needed and reduce unnecessary applications. When using baits or biological options, follow label timing and placement guidance precisely and rotate modes of action where applicable to reduce resistance. A common mistake is trusting a generalized national chart without local verification, which leads to mistimed interventions, so cross-check with your extension service regional calendar and your own trap data. Another issue is inconsistent monitoring frequency, which misses population spikes, so set recurring alerts and commit to twice-weekly checks during key windows. People often skip logging environmental conditions and lose adaptive insight, so keep a simple, consistent log of counts and weather and review it monthly to adjust timing. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find trusted local contractors and to help contractors find work related to pest management and broader projects. We also host an active discussion community where members share local monitoring experiences and calendar tips.